Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to create a quick tutorial on the Canon 5D Mark II easy setup I created, and it's going to make your life a lot easier when you're editing this footage. The first thing, I'm using an iMac 3.0 gigahertz and about 4 gigs of RAM, but you can see it still stutters a little bit. This is playing from my external drive, so thanks to Richard Rard who shot this footage, and then we have some footage here. From a wedding. Like I said, this footage is so high quality. It's going to take a pretty powerful computer to render this stuff and to edit it. So, nevertheless, I'm on an iMac, but that's fine. So we're going to do a new easy setup. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the Final Cut Pro menu, and we're going to go to Audio Video Settings. And we see the sequence preset right now is DV NTSC. So we're going to go here, and right now we're going to scroll down and scroll down, scroll down. And we can't do anything with that, so we're just going to duplicate it, and we're going to hit we're going to call it Canon 5D MK2 and use this preset for the Canon 5D MK2 editing. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go down here. We're going to change it to HDTV 1080i. Now, of course, it's not interlaced. It's progressive, so we know that. But hopefully, Final Cut Pro can look at this soon. I got that tip from a friend of mine who told me to use this setting. Second thing, pixel aspect ratio, we're going to change that to square. Field dominance, we're going to change that to upper. Okay? Then we're going to make sure we have editing time pace at 30. And then once we change, and make sure we have this unchecked, do not check anamorphic, and then time code rate, we're going to change that to 30 non-drop frame. Then the last two things we're going to change is compressor. We're going to go all the way down here, change that to H.264, leave that the same, and then the audio, the Canon is going to give us this 44.1 kilohertz. All right, keep everything like that. You're going to hit OK, and then once you hit OK, you can do it okay one more time. So then the second thing we can do, we can go up to here and create a new easy setup. As you see in here, no easy setup says Canon. We really want an easy setup, so we can do our own setup real quick. So we're going to go back up into audio and video settings, and we're going to hit create easy setup right here, and then we're going to do a generic capture template, device control. We're going to hit non-controllable device, video playback none, audio playback default, Canon 5D Mark II, generic capture device, non-controllable devices. We're just putting footage in, and then we're going to hit create easy setup, and we're going to go Canon, what did we say, 5D MK2. And easy setup for Canon 5D MK2. So once we do that, we're going to hit create, and then it's going to save it in our custom settings somewhere in our final application support. We'll hit save, and then we'll hit OK. So now when I create my file, I'm just going to right click on here, new sequence. It should have my correct settings. I go down here into settings, and there it is. They're all set up for my Canon sequence. So we're going to call this a wedding test, and we'll bring that down. We'll do an in and out point of this wedding footage, and it's just them looking, and we'll put it down here like that, and there we go. And that's our easy setup right there for our Canon 5D MK2. Thanks so much.